how to have unlimited creative freedom with your blog on Kajabi. In this video, I like to show you how you can enhance your blogging layout, how you can enhance your blog posts, how you can make interactions possible on your posts, how you can monetize your blog posts, how to get ultimate freedom with blogs in Kajabi. I'm Bastiaan de Koning, I'm from Jiffy Course Online. We love Kajabi and we always look for a solution how to really enhance the potential of Kajabi, to explore new opportunities and to boldly go where no one has gone before. Well, our purpose is to enhance Kajabi. So we'd like to bring Kajabi to a potential that was not seen in the blogging history of at least Kajabi. What you need to have are two tools. First, the vessel, as we talked about. This is Kajabi Papers. It's a template for your website and it really changes your website. And when we talk about the template for a website, think about a magazine. This is a template. It's a magazine, and every month this magazine is the same, the size is the same, the fonts are the same, the articles, they differ, but the layout, it looks the same. Let's say this is your website template, and then you have the articles, and for the articles we have created the Awesome Blog Creator. The articles are the parts inside this magazine, and every month the articles are different. We have different people who write them, we have different information, so they will be updated. Well, articles can be seen as your blogs. We have the vessel, that's the magazine, that's the website template. We have the crew, they are dynamic, they come, they go. These are the articles, these are your blog posts. Together, Kajabi Papers with the Awesome Blog Creator is the most powerful combination you can have for Kajabi. Let's dive into both templates. If you want to know more about how you can style Kajabi Papers, there's a different video where I discuss all the features that are in Kajabi Papers. And if you want to know how you can monetize your blog with Kajabi, there's a video where I show you how you can monetize your blog, how you can make money, how you can build a six-figure business with Kajabi Papers alone. If you want to know about Awesome Blog Creator, there's a video on what Awesome Blog Creator can do for you. In this video, I like to show you the power of both templates all in one. When you are on the website of Jiffy Course Online, you're looking at the Kajabi Papers templates, and although it seems the same, there are more features available than that are currently possible with the regular Kajabi template, and you can see those on the blogging page. Here we are on the blogging page, and the first thing you see, there is a featured image on top, a featured blog on top of all the other posts. So when you start, you can highlight one of the blog posts and you can select a specific blog post you want to show here. You can pin it on top of your screen. Then you see on the right side that the blogs in the sidebar are neatly aligned below each other, but they have all background colors, and this is just with one click, bang, it's there. When you look at the blog post, the fonts are resized, it is more condensed. You can change all the fonts here on this template. There are more options, and there are a lot of more options I show you in a different video, but with Kajabi Papers, this is a Kajabi Papers look and feel. You see that the sidebar is fixed on the right side when the rest is scrolling. When we go to one of the blog posts like this one, we have the combination of Kajabi Papers and the Awesome Blog Creator. The vessel is the template. The vessel is the right side, the top. This is Kajabi Papers. You see the sidebar, it's fixed because we want to have this part here, and when we scroll through the blog, it will continue when we get to the bottom of it. That's Kajabi Papers. The middle part is the content. This is the article. So the image with the text below it, this is an article. And this article can be created with Awesome Blog Creator. You cannot do this with Kajabi. In Kajabi, it's just plain text. But here you have options like putting text around images, having accordion in your screen, having an opt-in form directly in your blog post, adding text and images side by side very easily. Here too, creating background colors. We have added new tools like a review block here where you can add reviews, and if this is 100% review, but if it's 50%, the circle would change. You can resize the circles. There are more options here. We have an author block. This can be changed on every blog post. So Awesome Blog Creator gives ultimate freedom inside your blog posts. These are the two different parts. Papers for your website, Awesome Blog Creator for your articles. Let's get back to our blog list overview. And for example, this blog post, when we click on it, it's a premium blog post. So what's a premium blog post? A premium blog post is a blog post that just gives a sample of content, and then people can opt in for your mailing list, or they can even go to a paid membership for your website. We will show more from real life examples for people using these templates. So this article, as you see now, it's completely free for everyone. And if we want to create a premium article out of it, we can go to our Kajabi admin site. Like here, we are in the customization of the Kajabi Papers template, and we go to our blog post page where we want to create premium content. And here on the left side, you have the option, this is new, you don't see it in the Kajabi default, to activate premium content. And we like to activate this premium content on the tag premium. This article has a tag premium. If I change this for, I don't know, paid something, then it isn't locked because this article doesn't have the tag paid. Only the blog post that has a tag that you filter on will be locked as premium. So it's pretty easy to select your blog post. Just create a blog post, add a tag, and make sure this is the tag that is also in your filtered list. So now it's premium. You can save it, and let's preview it once more. And now when people go to this page, they scroll down, they see, hey, this is premium content. You can unlock this content by registering as a member. They can unlock it, and they will probably go to an opt-in page or go to a two-step opt-in, or maybe go to a checkout page. After they subscribe to your mailing list, or after they started their paid membership, they will get this offer to unlock this content, and then they can read that content. So it's very easy to set up, and this is a way to monetize your blog post. If you want to know more, there's a full video on how to monetize your blogs. I like to show you some real life examples of people using Kajabi Papers, or using Awesome Blog Creator, or even using them both. So let me bring in some website from people who already have Kajabi Papers or already have the Awesome Blog Creator. Here we have Brain First, and on the right side you can see it's Kajabi Papers because we have added this image in the sidebar with all the articles. Let's go to this one. We have a site, this is also created with Kajabi Papers, but you can see the images on the right side. This is another example for Kajabi Papers, and what you immediately see with all these websites is that they all use this featured image on top of it, because it's so important to have this teaser here, and this is just isn't there with Kajabi. So yes, here we have it. Let's get to another one. This is a recipe website also, and they have the featured image on top, and then we have the recipes here. And what you see, they have premium content. A lot of recipes are premium content. And what you also see is that they have a membership for $11 a month. So you can upgrade here, you can go to the article, and when you see this article, hey, I want to know something about turmeric lentil salads. This is a premium article, unlock the premium recipes. You will go to a checkout page, you pay for it, you get back to the template, and then you can read it. So here this recipe site is monetized. Their recipes are monetized with Kajabi Papers. Another one. Here we have Paulo's Healing Hub, And also she has premium content, as you see. Let me see if this article is also premium, how you can't get rid of parasites. When you click on it, it's premium content, it says here, and you need to unlock it for only $5 a month. Unlock the premium content, and yes, you will get to a checkout immediately after this. You can get and read the article. So these are very nice examples how people monetize their Kajabi blogs with Kajabi Papers. Susanna Proxka, she has Kajabi Papers and she has the Awesome Blog Creator, and working with them together. And what you first see, this is the newest version of Kajabi Papers. On the right side, the sidebar is very nicely organized, single blocks on the right side. And when we scroll down, you see that the blog post is not just plain text. So yeah, she has the image, she has here some show links, then there's more text, an image with text. There's a podcast here, she has the opt-in button, some kind of card, and another image probably with the show notes, a summary. And so there are all kind of parts you can only create with the Awesome Blog Creator. So this is a perfect example how both works together, because he has a huge sidebar. She didn't fix it, otherwise only the people would see the first parts here. But when you scroll down, you see all those blogs. Here you have recent posts filtered on human resources, recent posts filtered on business and marketing, with the images, business development. So she can filter the recent post based on the text. This is in Kajabi Papers possible, not possible with normal Kajabi. So there's so much content and really nice organized on this website. It's a perfect example how the Awesome Blog Creator and how Kajabi Papers can work together. I like to show you a little bit more about the Awesome Blog Creator. The Awesome Blog Creator is also based on a Kajabi website template, or maybe a landing page template, but we don't use it as a landing page template. We use it as an editor, like an author uses Microsoft Word or a different editor to write its content, like you use Canva to create graphics and images, but it's not the final place. It's just a place where you create your content, and when you've created it in Word or you created it in Canva, you copy that information, you download it, and you put it where you want to have it, somewhere on your website. So I'll take you to the back end of Kajabi, and here we are on our website pages, landing pages, and the Awesome Blog Creator is, as I said, a landing page you can upload to your template. So we customize the page, and what you see is it looks like a landing page, but it doesn't work like this. It's just your editor, and you have your blog here. You can immediately see how it looks like, and you can create it like a landing page. On the left side, or let me say, when you click something, some part, just click here. It will open on the left side. You edit the content and you continue with the rest. When you go back, you have a listing with all the blogs you see here. And if you want to add more blogs, add content, you just press add content. You'll find all kinds of options here, and the number of options you see on the left side, these depends on which version of Awesome Blog Creator you have. There are 3 versions with the Awesome Blog Creator. Currently you're looking at the Power Pack version. This is our biggest version, and every nice tool we have created we've put in this template. The Power Pack version will give you unlimited possibilities with all the things you already know from Kajabi, like the forms and the accordions, but also with options like an author card at the bottom, or wherever you want to have it. You can add a block selector. If you add a block, you can really pinpoint which block you want to have to refer to. That's not possible with normal Kajabi. We have the review block. This is a review. We look at this with the circles and the images, and you can change all these settings. You can make the circle size, change it. You can show the review percentage, and if you do so, You see the circles changing. You can change all the colors. And we have text wrap, and text wrap is where the text is around this image. So when the screen changes, you will see that the image stays there and the text is nicely around of it. So with the Power Pack, you get all these options, and you also get a very powerful SEO editor. What we have added is a SEO analyzer. If you work with WordPress, almost forgot the name. If you work with WordPress, you probably have installed the plugin Juiced. And this is a plugin to help you with SEO. For our Kajabi blogs, we've created a similar tool that's right on this page. So here we have the SEO analyzer, and when you click on it, it scrolls to the bottom of your page and you see there's a SEO analyzer. Well, this is our blog post with the table now. It's a sample, and when we go to the SEO analyzer, we can add the keyword or the string we want to look for. We want to look for the string awesome blog creator, and we want to highlight this keyword in the blog. So let's click on it, open SEO analyzer, and what it does, it will give you an overview about how well your blog post is doing. It says the keywords is found 5 times. The keyword density is 70%, which is considered low. It's found in just one heading, and there are a total words count of 646. So when we scroll, we see it here, 3 times, 4, 5 times, and 1 time in the header, just as the table told you. But now you can immediately see how many times your keywords is on this page. There's more information. What it says is that the schema markup is not activated. What's the schema markup? And the SEO schema markup is a table you can add. You can activate it here. And with this table, you can tell Google what kind of blog post it is. Filling in this information is only a pro to be found on the internet. Let me show you how easily you can get this newest blog post you have created in your editor. As we talked, this is your editor, and put it on your website in Kajabi. So we take this blog post and we just leave it as it is. When you're ready, you press the save button. That's all you need to do, and press this huge big green button. Add and save and press it. It will open a new page. As you see, let it calculate. There it is, and here you find the blog post, and you can see, is this what I like it to be? And if you're ready, yes, then you click the orange button on top. Now you get some information, and what it says, you need to go to your website, to your blog post, and paste the content from your computer's memory. So okay, I'll leave this. We go to our website. We create a new blog post. We call it a demo. What you need to do, most technical thing, is press this little button and just paste your computer memory all at once to your blog post. Press OK. You see some preview here, but it's not completely aligned or layout. You press the save button. Well, that's all. And you press preview. And what you see, here it is. There's no image on top because we didn't add the image, and this is a pop-up. But you see, here's your blog post. It's completely here. It works fine as we wanted to see. And what you also see is the sidebar that is scrolling with you and fixed on top. So if you have your most important information here, it will stay there all the time on screen. This is how they both work together, and this is how you can put in your awesome blog creator content in your blog post. This is all I've done. Press a button, copy, paste, save. That's all. Well, this is just a small preview you can do with the awesome blog creator and with Kajabi Papers. If you want to know more about Kajabi Papers, please follow the videos nearby this video. You learn how you can really restyle your Kajabi website template, make one of the most beautiful website templates that are possible with Kajabi. We have a video on how to monetize your blog post. I showed you how other people already did, and you can do this too. And we have an Excel template you can download how to calculate what kind of money you can make possibly with your Kajabi blog. And we have a video on how to work with the awesome blog creator. And sure, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Jiffy Course Online. I'm Bastiaan de Koning. Thank you for watching.